Hello, I am Nick the Tool and I'm back to show you another product from Snap-on that's going to hopefully make your life in the workshop a lot easier. So a little bit of unboxing for you. So this is one of the Blue Point kits. Now you'll know we do lots of little master sets in Blue Point, which are great for your breakdown box and to carry around, but this is a clever bit of kit. So I'll open it up like this so you can see what you've got. Now the main reason for buying this set is this ratchet. So you have a little look at that while I just grab a T72 off the truck, which is here. So this ratchet is one of our finest ratchets, finest in quality, but also 72 teeth. It uses the dual 80 style kit, so very strong, very fine. But imagine if you could make the head half the size, or even a third of the size, or even a quarter of the size. So for access, this is absolutely superb. Quick release button in the center. You can actually put friction on here while you're operating it, so you can really feel what you're doing in a tight space. Flick it over and you've got a bit driver, so you can put your bits into there, forward and reverse, some of those arch liners, all those kind of horrible jobs, mud flaps, stuff you can't get on. In the kit it also comes with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13mm quarter drive Blue Point sockets, an array of quarter bits, and also the little extension bar. So those are, personally I'd buy it for the ratchet alone, but a great little product. If you want to see these in the flesh, jump on a truck and have a look. If you like my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe, notification bell so you know when all the latest videos are coming up. I really appreciate you subscribing, and thanks for watching.